Softwood Cuttings, a gardener's guide to propagation. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of gardening and explore the meaning behind the term softwood cuttings. This is a common phrase used by gardeners, and understanding it can give you insight into how plants are propagated. So, let's get our green thumbs ready and learn something new today. Softwood cuttings are pieces of plant stem cut from a parent plant to produce new plants. This method is called propagation. The term, softwood, refers to a specific stage in the growth of a new shoot, typically in spring or early summer, when the wood is still soft and flexible. Gardeners choose this stage because the cutting is more likely to take root and grow into a new plant. Taking softwood cuttings involves a few important steps. 1. Choosing the right plant. Not all plants can be propagated this way. It's important to choose a healthy parent plant with fresh, new growth. 2. Preparing the cutting. Gardeners cut a small section of the stem, usually about 6 to 10 inches long, and remove the lower leaves. 3. Encouraging root growth. The bottom of the cutting is often dipped in a rooting hormone and then planted in a well-draining soil mix. 4. Providing the right environment. The cuttings need a warm, moist environment to encourage rooting. This is often provided by placing them in a greenhouse or under a plastic cover. Softwood cuttings are popular among gardeners for several reasons. Cost-effective. It's a cheap way to produce many plants from a single parent. Preservation. It allows gardeners to clone their favorite plants, preserving the exact characteristics of the parent plant. Speed. Softwood cuttings usually root faster than other types of cuttings, like hardwood or semi-hardwood. In conclusion, softwood cuttings are a fascinating and practical way to propagate new plants. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about plant science, understanding this method can be quite rewarding. We hope this video helps you grasp the concept and maybe even inspires you to try propagating your own plants. Happy gardening and happy learning!